So the first command we are going to explore is pwd. Pwd shows where you are currently working in the file system. When you open a terminal, you usually start in your home directory. So we are currently in home directory. We are the user Ubuntu. So this is the username Ubuntu. Actually, knowing your location is crucial when you are running a tool. So the second command is ls. It lists the files and directories. So these are the directories which we have, and try ls -al or la. So here you are gonna get everything. This shows hidden files too. Hackers always check hidden files. A third command we are gonna use is cd. Change the directory. This command is used to move inside to the file system. cd root. Now we are at root. Let's list the file. Let's go to home. cd home. So we are at home now. pwd. We are at home, and let's list the files and directories here. Okay, Ubuntu. cd Ubuntu. Change the directory into the Ubuntu. We are at Ubuntu. Actually, that's so nice. Let's list the files here. Here we go. This is how you can use cd. If you want to go to etc directory, you can go like etc with absolute path. This is how a absolute path looks like. We start from the root and we are navigating into the etc. So we are at etc pwd. Now we are at etc, and we should know how to use relative path. So next we are gonna do relative path. Actually cd. Now we are at root. What we have done is we have moved backward into root. So this is how relative paths works, or we can do as absolute path like this. So we are at root currently. Okay, now I can show you how we can use absolute path and relative path together. Let's go to root, home, Ubuntu tab, then desktop. Then now we want to use relative path also. So we can downgrade. Time we have downgraded. Now we are at Ubuntu. We have downgraded from desktop to Ubuntu with 2 dots, and we can downgrade one more. Now we are at home. If we press the enter, now it's go to home. It's not gonna to anywhere else like desktop or Ubuntu. Let's return. So we are at home. This is how we can use both absolute path and relative path together. The next command is cat etc password. Cat is used to read files. In cybersecurity, reading config files, logs and credentials is very common. This is one of the most used command by attackers, cat, and defenders also. So this is how cat works. And the fifth command we are gonna use is grep. Root etc password. I will tell you what it is gonna do. It just printed to you into your terminal. So we have 4 matches as root into this directory. That's what grep do. Grep searches for specific words inside files. That's what grep do. Hackers use grep to find passwords, tokens, API keys, usernames. Now I will show you how we can combine 2 Linux commands. The command is like this: ls pipe grep log. This is how it's working. So we have got 5 matches as log. This is how you can combine 2 commands. You don't need to memorize everything in one day. Practice daily, even 15 minutes enough. So subscribe me and grow with me. Let's learn together.